Who makes the best patties between South Africans, Haitians, and Jamaicans? Someone said my dad is Jamaican, my mom is Haitian, my stepdad is South African, and each thinks the other's patties are gross. We need an unbiased opinion. To be fair, I got all beef. A South African patty. This thing is crazy big. This is like $10. Kind of flaky. The meat is a little tough, but pretty good. It's not chopped beef. It's like thick beef, like the thick beef pieces. 7 out of 10. It ain't bad. Pretty good. I'm not really a fan of thick beef in the patties, but the first time trying it, I kind of like it. A Jamaican beef patty from Juicy Patty. Jamaicans, as you can see, this time I have it in the bag. And I will try not to put no flakes on the ground. I'm gonna try. Now this is a great patty. Extremely seasoned. They put their time, their effort, and their Jamaican love into this patty. You get this probably an 8.5 out of 10. This is very good. We got a Haitian patty. So then we got some katu sauce. That's what they call it, katu sauce. And this is really good. That one was very flavorful. The beef was cooked perfectly. I think the shell was just a little bit too hard for my liking. Overall, I think it was pretty good. I'd probably give that one an 8 out of 10. If I had to pick between those three, I would probably pick the Jamaican patty.